Hi guys, Dalana B here, and today I am coming back at you guys with a new video. This video is featuring the new Juvia's Place Dolce, I think that's how you pronounce it, but the new palette that they've previously released. I did film this video before when it first released, but I didn't like the footage, and I'm just now getting around to actually refilming it. So I did do a look for you guys. I didn't do any swatches just because I just wanted to come and do an actual look for you guys. But in the video, I will tell you, how I feel everything went on, the application and everything, how I feel about the palette and all of that good stuff. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you are interested in this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the Dolce by Juvia's Place palette, and this is what we're going to be using today. So opening it up, there's 9 different colors, very pretty. I had already swatched this like I said in the last video, but it's 9 different colors. And in this tutorial, I'm going to use 6 of the 9 colors, and I'm going to show you those now. So it's going to be the green, that light color, that pink color, that sparkly pink color, the purple color, and I did not show you guys the brown, but I'm also going to use that brown color as well. So first I'm going to start off with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to use this as my eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to put a small amount on my eyelids, and then I am going to blend that out with a blending brush by Real Techniques. Okay, so now I'm just going to start off with my transition shade, and I'm using that lighter pink color. And right off the bat, I can tell that this color is a little bit chalky, and it's a little, I wouldn't say hard to blend, but it's not the easiest of colors to blend. I've had other colors from them that blended way better than these, but it is a little bit chalky, and it also skips. So, and when I say skip, I mean it, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it kind of, it doesn't give a seamless blend like some of the other colors do. So I'm gonna have to go in a few times and kind of work with it and get it blended as best I could. There was a lot of fallout just by dipping my brush in the pan, but it worked out. Next, I'm going to go in with a smaller a smaller blending brush, and I am going in with that purple color, and I'm just going to use this right underneath my crease shade. And this one wasn't too bad. It was doing the same thing that the other color was doing, but it wasn't as bad. But I don't know, guys. You're just going to have to kind of play with it and work with it. I was watching If Loving You Was Wrong, so if you see me looking off or making funny faces, that's what it was for. But yeah, I'm just going back in, and I am blending my little heart away because these colors were really tough to blend. So I'm going in with a clean Sigma brush, and I'm just trying to blend that out to get those sparse spots that were skipping. I'm trying to blend those as best I can. The color kind of faded away, so I'm going back in with that purple shade again just to make sure that the color payoff is to my liking. And again, you're just going to see me blending, blending, and more blending. Now to give this look some depth in the crease, I'm going to just add that brown shade. Now it may look like it's very sloppy here, and it is, but it's okay because in a minute we're going to go back in and we're going to cut that crease. But I just wanted to put that brown in there just to give it a little bit more definition and depth. Now I'm going to go back in with that same shape tape that I used as my base, and I'm going to cut the crease. Now I am not the best at cutting of the creases. This is something that I just started doing. It is a bit difficult for me. But I mean, I guess with practice makes perfect. I did see TaylorMade Jane. She starts at the middle of hers and then she kind of brings the corners to the middle. So next time, I guess I will try that technique. But for now, it kind of took me a while. So I am going to speed this up because it took your girl a long time to get those eyelids to match. Okay, so now that those crease are cut the way I want them, I'm just going in with that light pink shade. And you can barely see this, but it's really pretty. The camera does it no justice, but it's like a metallic pink glitter looking color. I don't know how you would describe it, but it's very pretty. It almost looks like cotton candy. But I'm going in with that first. I did spray my blush. I did spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus just so that that color payoff could be more prominent, but it was already pretty, you know, pigmented just coming straight out of the pan, but I just wanted it to be a little bit more, color payoff. So I just sprayed it with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I am just patting that in. There wasn't a lot of fallout with this particular color. Maybe it was because I used the Fix Plus, but it was not a lot of fallout. But the color is very pretty. The camera does not do it any justice, but I am just patting that all over the eyelid. It almost looks like a sunset. That's kind of cool to see it like from here. Now I'm going in with that lighter shade, which was that light metallic color, and I'm just putting that all over the lid to make it a little bit more brighter. I'm just dusting away any fallout that I may have had. And if you guys are interested in my foundation routine, there is a video that I did do. I will have it scrolling somewhere so that you guys can see that. Now I'm just going in with that brown shade, and I'm just going to put that in my outer V just to give this look a little bit more dimension. I am going to go in with that brown and put it in my outer V, and then you will see me go back in with another brush, and I'm going to use that purple shade and just put it on the actual what do you call it? The most outer part of my V, and I'm going to take that and just kind of blend it in there just so it can have a little bit of dimension. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my wing liner now. I could not find my eyeliner to save my life, but I did have my Juvia's Place eyebrow kit sitting nearby, so I just used the darkest shade that I had to do my eyeliner. I did not particularly like it for an eyeliner, but I had to make it do what it do, so this is what we came up with. Okay, so I was satisfied, so I did a little happy dance. Now I'm going in with this green just as a tight line. So I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I just used that green to use it as my waterline. Instead of lining my eyes with a black liner, I just went ahead and did it with the green. I thought it was kind of cute, especially because that green is like a frost type green. So I just thought it added a little pop to the look. So off camera, I did do my lashes. These are, I forget the name of the lashes, but these are just some lashes that I popped on. The lip is Night Moth by Max. That's the lip liner. And then I went in with Flat Out Fabulous. Here I'm just spraying some, some Fix Plus to make everything melt away. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. I like it. Overall, the palette is not the best of palettes, but I mean, it's decent. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.